Today's question is, what is intelligence? Intelligence is the ability to understand a fact. A fact is that which happens, which is there. To understand a fact means to see the truth of it, having insight into its factuality. The factuality of a fact is its logical selfness, its self-reasoning, opposite to its human reasoning, which consists of thoughts. The fact is the fact, not what the mind thinks of it, not words about it. A fact is always complete, a logical totality. Truly understanding a fact, therefore, requires seeing it in that totality. That's why intelligence has little to do with thinking, as words fragment the fact into whatever aspects they are concerned about at the moment. Thinking stops looking, as thinking is turning inwards, away from the fact outside, where it is a totality. That's why intelligence is not intellectuality, which is the ability to recall and reflect verbal knowledge about the fact. Rather, it is the ability to witness the fact in its selfness, as it reveals itself to the mind over time, through experience. So, intelligence is the ability to attend to the fact without words, meditatively, which means completely, closely, consistently, and patiently. It is the ability to quietly stay with the fact, learning about it from itself. Now, all that doesn't mean that an intelligent mind doesn't think, but it thinks in a specific way that differs from the general way of thinking. An intelligent mind accepts words only to describe factuality, never to explain it. Put differently, an intelligent mind doesn't want to have any words left after the thought process, as it wants to present factuality as such. Intelligent thought wants to make factuality visible, evident, like a formula. A formula dissolves into the fact that presents itself through it. A formula actualizes the fact instead of abstracting it. Intelligent thought is the fact, as words, not words, as fact. If the thought is factual, there is no longer a difference between the mind and the facts. The factuality of a mind is its intelligence, as factuality is truth, and intelligence the ability to see truth.